Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all staying healthy and safe inside and that you don't find that you're going out of your mind bored, because I'm getting pretty close to that. But today I'm here to do another video with a ColourPop palette. I am going to do the Baby Got Peach palette. I actually received a request for this one on one of my previous videos and I've been dying to try this out. It's literally been sitting on my bureau, just tabletop forever, and I mean, where am I going? So I haven't really used it yet, but today is the day. So here is the palette. It's got tons of very pretty peach shades, which I'm sure you could have guessed from the name of the palette, but I love the pastel shades and the pastel palettes that ColourPop comes out with because they're just so pretty. This is a palette that I could see myself wearing on a daily basis because the colors are very toned down and just really cute, and I think it would match with quite a lot of outfits, especially considering that my closet is mostly neutrals. So the look I'm going to go for today is very toned down, so if you find that you're somebody that doesn't like the very vibrant in your face looks, this will probably be something you'll be more interested in. So first things first, as always, I prime my eyelids with some concealer, which really brings out the fact that my eyebrows haven't been done in quite some time. But we're going to push that aside and move on. So first things first, I'm going to use the shade Darlin' as my base. It's a very toned down tan-ish with a sort of peach undertone color. So I definitely think that's a good base shade. It's a really good shade to kind of build up the color on your eyelid. Next, I'm going to go in with this center shade here called Centerfold for the outer portion of my eye. So far so good. I really like how these shades are blending out and they're just such a pretty pigment to them. I just love it. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Perky for over top of the two colors that I already put on. As you can see, I didn't put very much of that on. I kind of just put it on top of the pink and the Darlin' shade that I put on, just to kind of blend it out and give it another tone to it. And next I'm going to go in with the shade Ready or Yacht for the insides of my eyes. As you can see, this is a shimmer shade. It's really super pretty, so I think this will blend out really nicely with the other colors that I used. So I really like how that shimmer shade turned out. It's very toned down, so it's not too in your face, which is definitely what I was going for here. As much as I want to try this Hungry Ghost very glittery shade, I promise a toned down look, so that is what I'm going to give. But in any case, so I'm going to go underneath my waterline here with the shade Get Even, which is this one here. So that'll do it for the palette, and next I'm just going to use my eyeliner, which I'm sure you can guess which one I'm going to use. It is my Kat Von D ink liner. I really need to try out some new makeup. I mean, now that I'm sitting home, what better time to do it, especially if I don't like it. I can, just play around with it at home for now. So if you have any recommendations for different eyeliners or foundations or concealers or anything you think I should try, please leave a comment in the comments down below so I can, try some new things. So next for mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So next for foundation, we have my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, which I'm totally running out of. Next for concealer, we had the Tarte Shape Tape. And then for powder, I've got my e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder, which has fingerprints all over it. And then for blush today, I'm trying something that is like got a little bit more of a pinky tone to it than the normal like rosy Naked Blush palette that I use. This is from Doche. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. I got it in the FabFitFun box one time, and it is super pink, like super pink, so I use a very little bit of it when I put it on. And then for contour, I'm still going to use my Naked Blush palette for the bronzer. And then for highlighter, I've got my Urban Decay Afterglow in the shade Sin. And then for lips, I'm going to use my Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. It is in the shade Pink Nude. So that'll do it for this look. I really like how this turned out. I don't really know if you can see it on camera, but the shades turned out so nice. It is a very toned down look compared to the other palettes that I have played around with. So I feel like this is definitely a everyday kind of look, especially for the spring. If you are into playing with eyeshadows, I definitely recommend checking out this Baby Got Peach palette because it is so awesome. If there are any other palettes or makeup products that you think I should try out, please comment below and let me know. That's how I ended up trying this one out, so seriously let me know and I'd be more than happy to try them out. I do have one more ColourPop palette, the Going Coconuts palette, that I'm sure I will try out eventually on this channel, so yeah, let me know. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to it so you can be notified of whenever I post. And make sure you check me out on social media @FreeCutter. And until next time, see you guys!